Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we're hanging out at Ryan's. We're putting his garage to use. We're gonna be changing Danny's oil. I'll show you guys Danny's car here in just a second. We might be doing Felipe's car as well. It's gonna be a good afternoon. I'm bringing you guys along with me. The last time you guys saw Danny's car on the channel, it was on tri-spokes. If you guys haven't seen Danny's car at all, it is a, I think, ux200 lowered on now some rays. So let me show you guys those. So these are his new wheels. Danny, are these center locks or they just have like a cool?
I mean, it's cap.
Oh, okay.
So I have a tool to unscrew this, and then the lug nuts are behind those.
Well, these are baller. Did you also go up a size? Are these 20s?
Yeah, these are 20s. My tri-spokes were 19s. I like 20s better because it fills up way more.
I agree,
with the 19s, I had to run big tires.
I agree.
Yeah.
I mean, they were cool for a little bit.
Yeah.
But now to have more fitment,
yeah,
looks great. Especially in the rear right here, the 20s just look amazing. This thing is so nice too. I mean, Alcantara all over the dash. It's got the red leather interior. Brand new Lexus stuff, man. This thing is sweet.
This is the easiest oil change ever.
Why?
Because like the pan's right here, and the oil filter is literally right next to the pan. Like, dumb easy. I mean, the other easiest one is where the oil filter is at the top of the engine.
Yeah.
That's
this
like,
is nice though. It's in the same place.
Yeah. That's more like German cars though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, this is dumb easy.
Yo, Carson, knife check. What we got?
It's the BB Skyline. Olive micarta. Washed it in the washer a second ago on accident.
Go in there. All right, knife check. Knife check. Holy. Ryan?
Ryan, you like it?
Ryan, where's the...
Hey, man, I'm lacking too, to be honest with you right now.
All right, man? Missing something?
Did y'all plan the overalls or what? The coveralls?
No.
Overalls?
I want
overalls.
Get them. Perfect. Once it gets a little cooler outside, this is a perfect thing to wear when you expect to do any type of work in general when you're getting dirty.
You're not wrong.
It's cozy. It has pockets and everything for me to do. You know, it's got fat ass pockets.
They're actually really cheap.
I could probably hide the 9 in there. What you doing, bro? What you doing with the Fran filter?
Danny, you said how many miles on this frame filter?
No, this is an intervention.
10,000?
This is an intervention.
We need to talk. This is a new car, man.
I got it from...
You're sick, dude.
Yeah.
You're sick, dude. There's so many oil filters.
You should be fucking ashamed of yourself.
There's so many oil filters.
They gave you one.
Yeah, they gave me.
They gave you the Fran.
What's going on with your car, man?
New second gear.
Okay.
New synchros,
Okay.
1 through 5. First through 5th, I'm stupid. Nah, got a new clutch. New brake pads.
It was on its last leg for a minute,
she was
man.
about to die there, but we're hopefully making it to Gatlinburg.
Absolutely. Oh, goddamn. You got my ass.
Yeah, I thought it was dead for sure.
Is this better?
Yeah, this is better, man. This is perfect.
Yeah,
this is what we're looking for right here.
I think she got the shitty one because we had to get oil filter from... I hope it fitted. I don't understand why there's just plastic everywhere on Lexus cars.
I don't know either, dude. But isn't it nice working on a new car, though?
Yeah, not bad, not bad. It has its perks.
I checked that shit.
No funnel gang.
Spill check.
Are you sure about this?
Oh yeah, watch.
Don't fumble.
Oh.
Oh, a little bit. There you go.
Nice.
Damn, Danny.
Speed running it. Did you put the drain plug back in?
Yeah.
Nah, you didn't.
I did that on my Cedric once.
Such a good little egg car, man. Look at this. Now Danny is gonna do the oil on the, what is this? UX? Shit, yeah.
CT200H. But I think I'm just gonna take the whole plastic off because it's hanging. I think she hit a dead animal.
Nice.
And it looks like I need it. I mean, I need to take plastic off, so I might as well take the whole thing off.
Yeah.
And I gotta take her fender liner off because she's rubbing.
Yo, did you get it yet?
Whoever fucking... Okay. Whew.
A little tight, a little tight.
Hell tight.
You gotta jack it up from the other side, really.
Really? I mean, I gotta jack up the other side anyways.
We got the Laurel over here looking pretty good. I think he's almost all ready for GAT. We might be changing his transmission fluid or just adding it later this week. There might be a little prep video on the car, so keep an eye out for that. I lied, man. Working on new cars is not always easier. We had time to go to McDonald's, little McD's run.
Yeah.
And for Danny. Hey, Danny, what we got on this side, man? Why are we on this side?
Taking the fender liner out because you rubbing.
Did you give up on the oil change?
Yeah, dude, whoever put that on at the dealership last, fuck you. Because that shit is on there. You probably used a gun.
Really?
100%.
Not torque to spec.
Definitely not.
Almost finished with weight reduction on the Lexus.
Almost. Two more things.
And then this whole this big piece of plastic's gonna come out. So I don't even know why they'd put it in there, to be honest with you.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro.
Yeah, Ryan told me
Get that shit out of here.
I was like, damn.
Hi, Danny.
I'm pulling up right here.
Well, I'm leaving.
Oh, okay.
Damn, look at that. Look at that. He really did it. 20s on the egg. 20s. He's tucking, man. That counts. That counts, bro. All right, well, this is gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of Danny's car. I think it's pretty crazy, but I wanted to give y'all a little Skyline update to wrap up this video. If you guys didn't know, I recently bent my lower control arm. I did one donut, came out of the donut, and my wheel was crooked. About 2 years ago, 2.5, maybe 3 years ago actually, I had my lower control arms extended, so those arms have taken 3 years of sliding, abuse, everything, and I finally bent one. Didn't crack, didn't break, so shout out to Mike for extending those in the first place, and then shout out to Mike for fixing this one. He's gonna be fixing it tomorrow night. When I get that back, I'm gonna pop it in. The following day, Wednesday, I'm gonna go get an alignment just in time to leave for Gatlinburg. Other than that, we got new ball joints in because I used a pickle fork and I ended up like breaking both the ball joints. So we got a new outer and then we got a new inner as well. They weren't bad before, I just had to replace them anyways. Hopefully before Gatlinburg, I can get these aero pieces on. Now, I might take these in the car with me to Gatlinburg to put on, worst case, but I do need to put these on and finish the official aero video, so keep an eye out for that. They're gonna look so sick on the car in the near future. Lastly, I would just like to remind you guys that I am picking up streaming again in the evenings. It's probably gonna be starting anywhere between 8 and 9 to whenever. I'm gonna be playing Battlefield, CarX, maybe some 5M, of course the new Call of Duty when it comes out, Fall Guys, Minecraft, pretty much anything I would enjoy playing, and I'm sure some of you guys would too. So I'm gonna get back into the swing of streaming after Gatlinburg. I just want to get back and get settled in and get all those videos out before. As always, my Instagram and Twitch are down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.